Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about the most awaited electric car, Renault K-ZE. One look into the K-ZE, and it's instantly recognizable as a Kwid. Of course, it's got a revised side with sleeker headlamps, a much bigger grille, mammoth wheels and a redone fanny. But, these are Idea automobile components, that are possibly to be banned shortly because it hits the assembly lines. But, we've to admit the K-ZE will look smashing. And also the white-blue paint theme underlines the car's clean characteristics amply. There's no sneak peek into the inside simply nevertheless, however Renault says that the K-ZE gets options like a rearview camera, parking sensors and a central touchscreen with navigation. Notably, all of those options are already obtainable on the top-spec Kwid sold out right here in India. Engine key features: high voltage starter and generator, smart multi-mode hybrid gearbox, clutchless natural aspirated gasoline engine. If the video is helpful, please like and share my video. Are you new to my channel? Subscribe to my YouTube channel, features review, and press the bell icon for never miss any updates. Stay tuned.